Steve out here?
He was.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Steve. He's coming around here. Does this one have a title, Steve? Both of them have title? Okay. We have a title. Okay, yes, we have a title.
We do have a title.
What year is it, Steve, you know? Around a 75. Hey, that's what you're going to buy right here, guys. He'll give $5,000 here, give $5,000. Hey, $5,000, give $5,000, that drove her right in line, give $5,000, give $5,000, now $5,000, give $5,000, now $5,000, give $3,000. You get $3,000 here, now $3,000, now $3,000, now $3,000, now $3,000, now $3,000. Get $3,000, get $3,000, now $3,000, get $3,000, now $3,000, now $3,000, now $3,000, get $2,000. $500. Got a rental, 7.5. It's $500, $600. All I'll do is the hard rate, $600. It's $600, $500, get $600, not $600, $500, get $600. It's $500, not $600, not $600.
Go to bed, we're back.
$500, get $600. It's $500, not $600,
yeah.
$700, get $7. It's $600, not $700, $700, get $7, not $7, get $700. It's $600, not $700, $700, $800, get $900. It's $900, get $900. Hit her again, $900. $800, get $900, $900, $8.5, $900. $8.5, get $900, $900, $900, $900, $800, get $900. It's $9, now half, $9.5, $9.5, $9.5. Hit her again, $950. It's $900, get $9.5, $900, get $9.5, $900, get $9.5. That's $900, get $950, $950. Anybody else? $950, $900, get $9.5. I have sold your way, $900.
167.
167.
Chevy.
Now your Chevy right here, guys. Your C65. Hey. All right, I'm gonna buy this one right here. $2,000. You do. Get $1,000. It's $500, $600. Here we go. $500, not $600. $500, get $600. It's $900, not $600. $600, $500, get $600. Now $700, get $800. $800 to $900. $900, get $900. $1,000. $11, 12, 13. Get $1,300, $1,300, get $1,300. Now $1,300. It's $1,200, get $1,300. 14, 15, 17, 17.5. It's $17, get $16, $16. That's $17, $17 is $2,000, $21. Get $21, get $21. $2,000, get $21. $21, $2,000, get $2,100. Get $21, $22.
Give it to him.
Get $22. Get $21, $22. Get $22, $21, $22. $22, $21, get $22. $2,200, $21, $22. Your way, $2,100. Go ahead, Larry. Right here. This one does not have a title. No title will come to it any time on this one.
Yeah. No title.
But you can probably get one because it's got a plate on it. All right, on your trailer frame right there, guys. $1,000 there, 1,000. And $1,000, get $500, we get $500, now $500, now $500, now $500, now $500, now $500, now $500, $50, $75, now $100, now $100, now quarter, now half, $150, $175, now $2, now quarter, at $2.25 there, $2.25, $2.25, $2.25, now half, at $2.5, $2.50, now $2.75, $2.75, get $2.75, $3, now quarter, at $3.25, $3.25, quarter, now $3.25 there, $3.25, $3.25, get $3.25 there, $3.25, $3.25, $3.25, half, at $3.50, $375, $375, now $400, hit $4, now $3, now quarter, $425, hit $400 to $425, $4.25 there, $425, now $425, $4.25, $425 a quarter. I have sold you away $400. Is that $142? $142. Hey, on your old Reo right here, guys. Check that thing out. It's pretty cool.
No title.
No title. No title on this at any time, but it does have a plate, so you can probably get a title, but we don't have one. On the Reo right there, guys, you get $2,500. Get $2,500, $2,500, $2,500, $2,500, get $2,000.
What do you get for it, guys? Gold Comet.
$500, $600, here we go.
Go 5, 6.
Yeah! 7, 7, 7, get $700. That's 6 down, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Where'd you go? 600, now 7. 7, 800, 800, 800.
8.
800, give 800, 700, give 800, 900, 900, give 900. It's 900, 800, get 900, you're 900, 800, get 900. You say a half, 8.5 to 900, 900, 900. Then you're out 900. 850 get 900, 900, 900, 8, 9, and a half, 900 get 9.5. At 900 get 9.5, 9.5. 950. At 900, get 9.5. Go ahead, 950. Now $1,000. Get 1,000. Say 1,000. At 950, get 1,000. Get 1,000. Get 1,000. Get 1,000. Get 1,000. You see it now. 1050. At 1050. 1050. 1,000. Get 1,050. 1,050. 1,050. 1,050. 1,050. 1,050. 1,050. 1,050. Anybody else? 1,050. I have sold it. $1,000.
191.
191. 191. And this trailer
This is a nice trailer.
Listen here, I want to bring 2,000.
Yeah.
The 2001 model, guys. Kind of a heavy little trailer. 10 or 12,000 pounds, looks like to me. That's what you're going to buy right there. You'll get 2,500 of those there. Get 2,500. 2,500, 25.
What do you give, guys? Put on the money.
Get $2,000, who gets $1,000 here, going to get $1,000.
$1,000.
And 1,000, 300, 400, here we go. 3, 4, now 5, now 600. And 600, Nathan, 600, 600, now 600, 500, get 600, now 7. And 6, now 7, now 7, now 7, now 600, get 7, now 7. Nathan, 607. And 600, now 7, 7, now 7, now 7. 600, get 700, get 7, now 700. And 7, 800, 800, give 800, 900, 900, now $1,000. Get 1,000, roll out over here. Get $1,000, get 1,000, get 1,000, now 1,100. 11, 11, 11, 11, get 1,100. And down to 11, 11, get 1100. Down to 1,100. Give 11, get 11. How about the guy on the tire? Give 1,100. 1,100, down to 11, 11, get 11, get 11. Get down to 11, get 11, get 1,100. It's down. I'm in with Neil Den. Down to 1,100. It's down to 11, 11, now 12, 12, 11, get 12, now 12, 13. Get 13, 13, 13, now 13, 13, and 1,300. Get 1,200, 13, get 13, get 13, now 1,300. At 1,200, get 13, Nathan, 13, 14. At 1,400, 14. I got you, buddy. 13, 14. At 14, Neil, get 14. At 14, 30, give a half. 13 and a half. At 13, I get 13 and a half. At 13 and a half. The gentleman in the red shirt's in, the rest you're out. 1,300, get 13 and a half. At 13 and a half, get 13 and a half. 13, I get 13 and a half. 13.50. I have sold your way. $1,300. $269.